Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell, it's a clearly inspired makeup tutorial. Most of you guys know I am a huge wrestling fan. I eat, sleep, breathe, talk wrestling. Really, the freaking train really has to go off as I'm talking right now. I pretty much just live wrestling. So I never see anyone do like WWE superstars inspired makeup tutorials. So I figured I'd give it a shot, and since Liv Morgan is like my favorite wrestler right now, I just decided, why not go ahead and watching. I do want to disclaim though that I did do my hair off camera, so yeah, let's just get right on into the video before I just keep running my mouth, because I tend to do that a lot. Okay, so I'm just using my Smashbox primer under and on my lid. I'm gonna try and do like an old school talk through video. I haven't done one of these in like never actually. See how it goes. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So this is this picture that I'm trying to recreate, and I notice her eyebrows. She has a really deep brows, and then they have like an arch. I just like to line it up on the outside to figure out how I'm gonna draw them in. I just shade it in like a coloring book. Yeah. Okay, so once I do that, once again, just brush them out, brush them out. I noticed about her makeup is really neutral. It's not really like all over the place. Sometimes she does every now and then. Anyway, so I'm just gonna use my the Nudes Maybelline New York's palette. I've had this palette forever. Like, I'm not really a big makeup user anyway, but like when I do bring it out, it's like, oh my god, I got makeup. So I'm just going to take this color here. I'm guessing it's, honestly, I have no idea what color this is. I'm just gonna call it like white peach cream or something like that, because that's what it looks like to me. So I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And remember earlier I put on whatchamacallit, primer. So okay guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take this like, you know, this looks like clay, so I'm just going to take this clay looking color here and I'm just going to put that in my crease, like right there in the crack of my eyeball. Gotta be real with it. Yep. Okay, and I'm also going to try and make sure it's kind of like angled at an A line, like a, you know, like a wing liner. If that makes any sense. I don't know. I also going to take this gold color here. I don't know, it looks gold to me anyway. Ain't no makeup artiste here, but you know, I just figured I'd give this a try something a little different. And now I'm just putting on my concealer. The thing is, I don't wear, like, not cover up. I'm more of a concealer person. Honestly, it's just not my thing. I've never really been into it. I'm just going in and I'm just getting rid of my mom circles, because, you know, mom life here. Thank goodness my baby's taking a nap, so I'm able to film this video. Hopefully I can get it done in time. We'll see. I go in with that goldish pink looking color, and I'm just putting it right underneath my waterline. I'm going to take a little bit up in my crease just to blend it so it, you know, matches. I'm going to take some liner and put it on my line, top line. But like I was saying, Liv Morgan is a part of the Riot Squad. I'm like loving it. I'm not even gonna lie. This is my first inspired makeup look, and you know, it either comes out awesome or it comes out lame, you know. And of course, you guys know I got to put on my mascara. That's like my BFF. And then I noticed that she has like white liner underneath it, so let me put that under there. I'm trying to be careful and not make sure it doesn't touch my black mascara because it'll bleed and I don't want it to bleed through. So then it'll just look like a grayish color when it's just supposed to be white. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and put on some blush. Also has a highlighter on her cheekbones in this picture, so we're going to do that as well. Does anybody ever like smile really cheesy when they're putting on blush? I know I do. My highlighter on my cheekbone. You know what, I noticed in this picture she has lip liner. So I'm gonna get some on. And I noticed that she had more of like a shimmer lipstick in this one instead of a matte. And honestly, that completes the finished look. That concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Liv Morgan inspired makeup look. Girlfriend tries to keep it gangsta. Just kidding. If you guys are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. And yeah, I will see you guys in our next weekly vlog. Bye guys.